What's up, y'all? I felt it is time to return back to the Google Clock series. That's I did like a whole year ago, and then I was thinking, why don't we just continue the series? There's not a lot of stuff better to do. But yeah, that's what we got. Now again, we got a little volume button right here. It makes a little sound to let you know when you're turning it up and down. You can just automatically touch this. But if you go over here and touch the little sound bar, when you go to turn it back up, it'll one more time. This one will work. 3, 2, 1. See? And when the volume is at its maximum, it will make this sound. Just know that's that maximum volume. And we have brightness. Maximum is also 10. Of course, what I originally kept it at was 4. You have no alarm set, it'll indicate that. Go up here, back again with the nightlight. You can change the different colors, which is pretty cool in my book. Of course, I think we'll keep the color to like this. And of course, we can change like the brightness of the nightlight. Let's say you want it to be like 1. Now you can't barely see anything. But go back and change that. Let's see if Google still works. Okay, Google. Still works in the nightlight. Of course, we'll go back to regular nightlight. Bro, let me show you something real quick. We got timer, volume, which will control the volume with the timer, which is pretty cool. And then we got snooze length, but we'll keep it there. The hard tap to stop. Let me show you what that means. As a matter of fact, okay, Google, set alarm for 10:24 a.m.
Done. Your alarm set for 10:24 a.m.
Now we will get woken up by the alarm in 2 minutes. One thing before I go out for a second, let's check out the good morning button.
Hello. It's 10:23 a.m. Right now in Blythewood, it's 82 degrees and mostly cloudy.
Okay, so that's what this does. Oh, yeah, we got thunderstorms happening, dude. Yeah, she will say hello to you and tell you the weather for the day. Which is pretty cool. Anyways, I'll be right back whenever the alarm on those goes off. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And just check this out. See that? Or you can tell her to stop. And of course, we're just gonna do the thing where we tell her stop. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. See, that's easy. But one thing really cool is that you can change what it sounds like. Like number 1. Well, it's actually number 2. Now, I'd rate that one a 3 out of 10. Doesn't really remind me of a lot of stuff. But what about this one? I'll give that a 5. Touch of Zen. I don't hear anything. 1. About time. 7. Of course, modern times this gets to 7 as well. So none of them are that bad and not that good at the same time. But let's listen to the music, to some music while we at it.
A duck walked up to a lemonade stand and he said to the man running the